Hello guys, Alex Grampion here. Just a quick video for you on 2017 Volkswagen Caddy. This is the service reset. It's the same for the Golfs sometimes and also Polos, but definitely works every time on the Caddy. So turn the ignition on. Obviously after you've done the service, you will have a message coming up, either service reset or you'll have inspection now. So there are two different lights. One's for just oil change, the other one's for the full service basically. So what you have to do is use obviously the controls on your steering wheel. So once the ignition is on, you go to the side to get to the settings, then use down button to go all the way down to the service, press OK, and info comes up there as oil service. They have just reset and inspection is due or overdue 25 days. So what you have to do, there's a trick to this. You can use the diagnostic tool, but you can do it manually. Turn the ignition off. If you press and hold this button here, the set button, normally when turning ignition on, so I'm pressing the button now. I'm going to put my phone down quickly and turn ignition on. And as you can see, come up with the message, do you really want to reset oil service? All you have to do now is press OK and it's going to reset it. I'm not doing it because I've just done it. So I'm going to press cancel. But if you're doing the inspection one, all you have to do, and I know it sounds a bit weird, but all you do is put the hazard light on, turn the ignition off, press and hold the button again. I'm going to put my phone down, turn the ignition on while I'm holding the button. And as you can see, it comes up, do you really want to reset inspection? So literally just press OK now, service reset. And if we go to the settings now, service info, both of them are reset now. That's pretty much it guys. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.